Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use decimal format in Java. First, you'll learn to create a decimal format object, which is essential for customizing number displays. Then, we'll cover how to define specific patterns to control decimal places, grouping, and prefixes. Finally, you'll see how to apply this formatting to any numeric value using the simple format method, ensuring your output looks exactly as intended. Let's explore common patterns for decimal format. The zero character, like in 0. 00 forces a digit to appear, even if it's 0, ensuring a consistent number of decimal places. The pound sign or hash is for optional digits, meaning it only shows a digit if one exists, as in hash. Hash. You can also easily incorporate currency symbols, like a $sign or percentage signs, directly into your pattern string. For more advanced control, decimal format allows you to specify rounding behavior using the rounding mode enumeration. By default, it uses rounding mode. Half even, but you can change it to half up for more intuitive rounding. You can also add grouping separators, like commas for thousands, to enhance readability of large numbers. Furthermore, patterns can define how negative numbers are displayed, often by using a semicolon to separate positive and negative subpatterns. To put it all together, here's a quick example. You'll instantiate decimal format with your desired pattern, then call its format method with your number. Remember to import Java text, decimal format, and Java text, decimal format symbols for full functionality. This ensures your numbers are always presented clearly and consistently. For more details and other great deals, check the description below. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, making your life easier.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.